It's completely stripped, nothing left.
What a waste.
The engine's shot too. This was a real beast in its day.
It's heartbreaking to see it like this.
I know.
Here is the payment, as we agreed.
Thank you. It's all yours now.
I never thought it would end like this.
It served its purpose. This chain needs to be tighter.
Be careful, it's slippery.
Almost got it.
Come on, lad, put your back into it.
It's stuck in the mud, but I'm getting it.
That's it.
Let's see what we're working with here. All right, this bolt is next. Easy now, lower it in. Perfect alignment. Hold it there. Now for the torque. Almost there, looking sharp. So, what do you think of this beauty?
Oh, it's magnificent.
Come on, let's take a closer look.
I'd love to.